Alright, yo, how to start investing from your phone. We're going to be using this app called Crypto.com. We're going to buy cryptocurrency to invest. Basically transferring your fiat money into cryptocurrency. So basically you want to hit trade, click buy, then you got all these cryptocurrencies right here you can buy into. Okay? So we're going to do Litecoin. Basically, we want to buy some Litecoin. You come in here, add your debit card, add your credit card, whatever, and you just say how much you want to get. That's simple. So if you wanted to add money to another platform, you would buy crypto from here and then send it somewhere else. Okay? So if I wanted to buy like $200 here, I'll get my I'll say how much I want. Then click buy. They're gonna charge you a 2.99% fee. Then once you click buy, hit continue, confirm, then you'll have your money in your account. So to transfer that money out of this account, you'll click transfer, then hit withdraw. Then you will get your address that you need. So you'll click crypto, and like say if you were a Pocket Option or something, you will click deposit on Pocket Option, get your address, and then take that address and add your address here. So you'll click the plus sign, add your wallet address, you will copy from there. So you copy your address, click Litecoin, copy your address here that you are trying to deposit into. So then once you get that address, you copy it here, and you will be able to withdraw and send any money that you need to.